it powers on. Caps lock is down, hit brake, able to access the monitor. Which is great. I'll hit brake again. Okay, now we'll try and access basic. And the system does nothing. Okay, hit brake. See. Nope. Try again. Okay. So I'm not sure if we've got a problem with the ROM or one of the basic ROMs, or possibly a CPU issue, which I doubt. Okay, I've also finished repairing the keys. I now have 4 keys which are not functional, but the other keys have been repaired, and at the moment I only have 2 memory chips installed, just for troubleshooting. I've replaced some of the TTL logic, repaired some of the damaged traces on the board, and so far it's looking good, but there's still a little bit more work to do. Okay, bye.